Easy and fast, the most delicious dinner for the whole family. For this recipe, we will need 3 chicken breasts. Start making cuts like this. Now tell me the dinner recipe you make that your family likes the most. I would love to know your recipes. Season the chicken breasts with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of dried thyme, drizzle with olive oil, and rub the seasonings all over the chicken. You guys, this recipe is delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the chicken breasts in the hot pan and let them fry for 5 to 6 minutes. While frying, cut 1 onion in half, then slice it this way. Now turn the chicken over and let it fry for another 5 to 7 minutes on medium-high heat. You guys, make this recipe at home. It's incredibly delicious. I'm sure you'll love it. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Increase the heat to medium-high and add the onions. Fry them for 1 minute, stirring occasionally. We're going to need 2 garlic cloves. Cut them into very small pieces. Then add them to the pan together with the onions and sauté for 30 seconds. Now in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 120 milliliters of beer or chicken stock, and stir to combine. Transfer this sauce to the pan. Increase the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Let it cook for 3 minutes or until the liquid has reduced. Then return the chicken breasts to the pan and brush them with the sauce. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Neneth Banson from Philippines. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. And for garnish, we're going to use parsley. Mince, and then sprinkle it on top of the chicken. And our dinner is ready! Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!